It's a 2015 Honda Accord sedan. Year after year, the Accord is showered with awards and praise. Take a look and it's easy to see why. Drive it and you'll know why. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, dual-zone climate control, continuously variable automatic transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver points out the steering, the brakes, and the suspension work in harmonious balance to make the Accord seem agile and springy. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.